My name is Rodney Jackson. I am from Wilroy, Kentucky, which is a small town in eastern Kentucky. I started the pediatric dentistry of Hamburg back in 2003. My practice before Pepper Point, we were growing, we were doing well. We had just opened up our third location in Frankfurt. We had 4 partner doctors and 1 associate at that time. It was an interesting journey. We had several meetings, initially with Greg and then with the pediatric dentists who were intimately involved at the initial onset of everything. It was a lot of frank discussions, a lot of just trying to explore the possibilities of what could potentially come of this. But ultimately, in the end, we decided it would be the best route for us. I think it's helped dramatically. There's more access to care, I would think, for most patients. We're not bombarded or held down by all the practice management of our practices, so we can devote more time to seeing patients. It's amazing how taking a lot of the administrative duties out of our offices has freed up more time for us to provide patient care for our patients. I think the most important part is that you're a partner in this organization, so a lot of the things that go on in your office are dictated by you since you're a partner now. So from a personal perspective, we haven't done anything that we haven't wanted to do. We presented with different options, and if we feasibly see that it's a better option, we are always willing to try to explore those options and see if it works out for the best. And truthfully, most of the options that have been presented to us, we hadn't even thought of on our own, and it's made the systems run a little more smoothly and made us more efficient as a practice. And our main thing was that we didn't want to feel like we were employees. We wanted to be true partners. And then once the framework was laid out and we really saw that this is a true partnership, I mean, it was a win-win for us. We couldn't turn back. I mean, it makes you feel proud. I've talked to classmates who work in corporate dentistry, and they talk about the restrictions and all the stipulations that are thrown at them by the corporation. I think us being doctor-owned and us seeing our vision come to fruition is just speaks volumes as to collegiality and just determining your own path. I mean, I think when people see how awesome this partnership is and how it improves not only your life, but the lives of your patients, and how you're still intimately involved in your day-to-day operations of your practice without being bombarded with the minutia and the things that truthfully in dental school you're not taught to do. You can really kind of get back into and focus on what most people went into dentistry for, is to take care of the patients.